Fun facts about the sun. Solar energy. Solar energy is energy produced from the sun. It's a renewable energy, which means it's produced using natural resources that are constantly replenished. So what actually is solar energy? Well, solar power is produced when the energy from the sun is converted into electricity. How does it work? Solar photovoltaic PV panels turn the sun's rays directly into electricity using a special solar PV cell. The light from the sun hits the panels and electrons flow. This creates electricity. What do we use solar energy for? Solar power is used to power homes, cars, hospitals, business, and schools just like yours. Why is solar energy so awesome? When generating, it produces zero emissions, which means it's really kind to the environment. It's renewable and it only uses the natural resource of the sun. It's silent. Solar generates energy with zero noise. Did you know the Earth receives enough sunlight in 1 hour to power the world for 1 whole year? Solar power is the most abundant energy source on Earth. Solar energy was discovered nearly 200 years ago. This was brought to you by the team at Zen Energy.